say the same for others. They don't want to harm the turkey, just want it to trot somewhere else.
It's not safe for anybody, including the turkey. You know, so I would just like it to be relocated to a place where it can live with other turkeys and be happier, and it's not going to be a nuisance to people or potentially hurt somebody. She's lonely, and I feel bad, but why can't they just relocate this bird, please?
Clearly you smell like turkey urine. That's why the thing is so interested in you. You've got Tom pheromones. There's something about your pheromones that make that turkey want to do you.
Yeah, you smell like gravy.
He wants to gobble your giblets.
In Coon Rapids, Kirsten Mitchell, WCCO 4 News.
My God,
Coon Rapids, Minnesota. Who would have known it?
throw a tarp over that thing and throw it in the back of a trunk and drive it out into the country, like Miller's Crossing style, and then just throw it out.
Somebody said, while that turkey's watching, deep fry a different turkey and show it what its life could be.
That's so messed up.
It is, but also they're too stupid to know. Well, that was fun. We've gotten texts from so many people saying, we had a gang of turkeys bullying people in our town, and we had to remove them with a net. And similar things.
Yeah, get them out of there. Surely you're smarter than a turkey.
This text, you live in a mobile home park and there's no one there that will eat that bird?
I know, under the cover of darkness. I mean, who's going to rat on you,
Right? So, I didn't know this was a thing, and reasonably so. I don't have a lot of grasp of Australian history. But until 1974, women were not allowed in the bars. You just couldn't go in.
Was it that they weren't allowed in, or was it just not a social norm?
No, I think they had just changed the regulations. I think until then it was like, gals don't go to the bars. And so this is a woman being interviewed, and she's at the bar with some old codgers who are probably 30, but they look super old.
You got to get that Matilda out of there.
Yeah, they do. The one guy he tries to be honest and polite, but still kind of rude.
Well, that's met with no reaction. Do you object to me being served alongside you here, sir? Do you object to people like me walking in and having a drink here amongst you?
Well, it's not the objection, but I think for myself that the place for women is the saloon bar or the lounge.
Why? What's wrong with us? We're not doing you any harm in here.
Well, I mean, if I want to talk or swear or something like that, and there's a woman standing behind me, you can't, can you?
Why?
You just don't do it when you can't or don't. Or that way.
All right, sir. I'm sorry I took your place, I think, when I pushed in.
Yeah, but you're not getting me.
You don't mind me being here, do you?
I do.
Why?
Because you don't share. You only drink of water.
Well, I'm drinking water because I'm working, but I don't mind you drinking beer.
So why should you be next to me?
Well,
You know, he wants to shout.
Right.
Yeah, they have to be on their best behavior.
Mm-hmm.
It's a chivalristic, chauvinistic dichotomy that's happening right now. We don't want women here because we have to be nicer because we want to be polite around women.
yeah, you'd feel happy if there was a man next to you, would you?
Oh, I don't know. I don't mind you.
Oh, my God.
He puts his arms around her.
Oh, God. Women in general, is it?
Oh, I love them all. I can say F's and B's and C's. In here, where there's only men.
You think women are going to be shocked by your language? That's why you don't want them in here, is it?
Well, let me put it this way. We put a restraint on ourselves.
You're afraid of women.
Let out.
I'll give you the back of my hand. He's like, get out of here.
And you must be afraid of us hearing your language.
Well, perhaps we're decent people and we don't like swearing in front of women.
What would you do, sir, if women walked in here en masse? Would you walk out, would you?
But boy, I come in here and enjoy my drink. I come here and enjoy my drink.
Boy, this must have been a great time before that gal showed up. A bunch of ugly, middle-aged men dressed up for the bar, drinking tiny glasses of booze. Oh, what a joy.
I can smell their breath.
Oh, you know they all stink.
Yeah.
Well, they all stink like sadness in local motels.
Everybody's mouth is 1 foot away from the other, and it's all booze and cigarettes. But they just want to be able to swear.
Well, swearing
sometimes and then get disoriented with slap fight and tickle. Really bad. I learned how to fight bears just in case they started showing up.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really something. Back in a minute, it is the Premier Nightwing Show.
Who's ready to rock out 2023 in a new Bristol Chevrolet? Southwest Virginia, North Carolina, Tri-City, Scott Robb here, and I wanted to say thank you for making Bristol Chevrolet the fastest growing Chevy dealership in the Tri-Cities. And now we're going to party into the new year with the lowest prices of the year. Get up to $9,000 off Silverados, or how about interest rates as low as 0% APR? And don't forget, if you've got a trade, you've got it made. Get up to $8,000 over Kelly Blue Book so we can pay it off no matter what you owe. So let's rock out 2023, oh yeah. Make that short, beautiful drive to State Street and get to Bristol Chevrolet's Rockin' Sales event, and you'll see there's a better way. There's a better way. Bristol Chevrolet, Bristol Chevrolet.
The Virginia Department of Health brings you Here's to Your Health, Virginia. And with us today is District Director of Llano-Wisco and Cumberland Plateau Health Districts, Risa L. Sloas. Director Sloas, last year Virginians faced a tough respiratory illness season right around the holidays. What's your advice to avoid a similar situation this holiday season?
Getting the most up-to-date immunizations are your best defense against respiratory illness. Initial results indicate that flu vaccine is a good match for this year's flu viruses. The new COVID-19 vaccine targets the currently dominant XBB Omicron subvariant circulating in the U.S.
And finally, what are the guidelines for these vaccinations?
Everyone 6 months and older is eligible for vaccination, and you can get both shots at the same time if you would like. The RSV vaccine can help reduce the more than 60,000 hospitalization and 6,000 deaths of older adults each year attributed to RSV. But if you have any questions about these immunizations, talk to your healthcare provider about the best course of action for you.
Remember, as far as timing goes, now is the time to get your recommended immunizations before we reach peak respiratory illness season. Here's to Your Health, Virginia is brought to you in cooperation with the Virginia Department of Health. Find out by visiting vaccinate.virginia.gov.
Courage. I learned it from my adopted mom.
Hold my hand? Hold my hand. Learn about adopting a teen from foster care at adoptuskids.org. You can't imagine the rewards. Brought to you by Adopt US Kids, the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services, and the Ad Council.
About the dealership, people pause. Out comes good old trading clause. The perfect time of year to upgrade your ride. Trade in your car while the values are high.
Ho, ho, ho! Bring your old sleigh to Wallace Kia of Bristol. We'll take any trade, regardless of condition. Stuck in a loan or lease, we'll get you released. Even if you're over mileage, have months left, or still owe thousands. Drive home a new 2023 Kia Sorento LX for just $299 per month. Yes, a new Kia for $299 per month. Is your credit on the naughty list? That's okay. If you've got a job and make at least $2,000 per month, Wallace Kia of Bristol has lenders that can get you approved. 'Tis the season to be upgrading to a new Kia. Come see me, TC Baker, today at Wallace Kia on Volunteer Parkway in beautiful Bristol, Tennessee, or WallaceKiaBristol.com.
24-month lease, 10,000 miles per year, $34.99 new signing plus tax tag title. No security deposit. Negative equity financed and loans subject to lender approval. Expires month end.
Norris Bicycles in Johnson City is going out of business and having a huge blowout sale. Come in today and take 30% off new in-stock bicycles and accessories. That's 30% off Cannondale, Scott, GZ, Badge, and Charge bicycles. The selection is huge. Over 100 bicycles in stock and lots of helmets and accessories. But it's all going fast. So get to Norris Bicycles today, because at the end of December, their doors are closing for good. All sales final. Norris Bicycles, 1412 Knob Creek Road, Johnson City.
Stay tuned for this special announcement you've been waiting for years. The King is back! Wallace Mitsubishi of Kingsport, the King of Low Payments. The King of Low Payments is back. Wallace Mitsubishi of Kingsport with up to $2,500 of holiday bonus cash. Up to $2,500 of holiday bonus cash will get you that low monthly payment that you've been waiting for. Mitsubishi Mirage, Mitsubishi Outlander Sport, and the Mitsubishi Outlander. Up to $2,500 holiday bonus cash that will get you that award-winning low monthly payment on every award-winning Mitsubishi at Wallace Mitsubishi of Kingsport. Special financing is available. Up to $7,500 over Kelly Blue Book for your trade. Good credit, bad credit, every credit application will be accepted. $2,500 in holiday bonus cash at the king of low payments, Wallace Mitsubishi of Kingsport. Online, wallacemitsubishi.com.
Offers from plus tax and fees with approved credit.
Hi, I'm Morgan Fairchild, and I am a lifetime lover of animals. I've rescued every pet I've ever had, so I know firsthand that when you adopt a shelter pet and make them a member of your family, it not only enriches you and your family's lives, but that of your new pet's life as well. My friends at American Humane have been helping animals for more than 140 years. You can learn more at AmericanHumane.org.
Texting enrolls you into recurring automated text messages. Consent not required to purchase. Message and data rates may apply.
Hey, Dan, how you doing? Haven't seen you around the gym.
Yeah, I've really fallen off. Since I turned 40, I just don't get the results I used to get.
Could be lower testosterone. I went through it a while back. I got Nugenix Total T, and it's made a huge difference for me.
I've seen that on TV. Is it for real?
Oh, yeah. The patented key ingredient is something called Testofen, which helps boost free and total testosterone levels to help you trim up and stay lean.
And it's made a difference for you?
Man, I feel like I'm in my 20s again. At work, in the gym, and in the bedroom.
Are they still giving out complimentary bottles for people to try it for themselves?
Yeah, you just need to send them a text.
Text BICEP to 321-321 right now for your complimentary bottle of Nugenix Total T. Plus, text now and we'll include a bottle of Nugenix Thermo, our most powerful fat incinerator ever, to help you get back into shape fast. Absolutely free. Text DICEP to 321-321. That's BICEP to 321-321.
Products and statements have not been evaluated by the FDA. These products are not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease or illness.
Columbia Heights, Kingsport, Johnson City, Bristol. Broadcasting station 95.9 The Hog.
Did we say something that offended you?
Not a lot of running in volleyball.
No, lazy sport around. That's what they say. That's actually on the website of the U.S. Olympic Volleyball League.
Come see our lazy athletes. Yep, that's what they always
We're the
say.
best of the lazy. Yeah, they say this takes no athleticism. That's why drunk college people play it on sand.
Too old to play racquetball? Try volleyball.
Email all complaints to Hot Wings at freebeerandhotwings.com.
Former Miss America. And now, I haven't paid attention to that in years. There was a time where we used to know them.
Oh, the winner was a household name.
When we had 3 channels, so you watched that. But now it's, kind of antiquated. But this woman won in 2014 or 16. By the way, a lot of times when they're glammed up in that process, you can see they're very attractive, but it's not what appeals to me. But in this video, she's just like in her house, done up on like a normal day. And my God, is she stunning.
Yeah.
She also does some pretty sweet singing impressions. See if you can name them.
Your beauty is beyond compare.
Well, that's a good one.
Yes.
Jeez.
Do you believe love?
Cher, that one's easy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't be offended by my frank analysis. Think of it as personality dialysis.
That's supposed to be like Kristen Chenoweth.
Yes, and it's pretty